Well, all right, we'll show you, we have the wet or liquid items lined up. We'll be putting those in. Actually, we'll do some of them real quick because I don't have to get two hands involved. This is a 4-ounce fruit cup, coconut, pineapple. I know that is far from a mint on the chocolate cake, but I digress. Approximate, you can see I don't do a full 4 ounce of the oil. I do what I feel might be good, eyeball thing. And the second cup of the apple or pineapple coconut. This is the mint. This is the mint, and I'm not endorsing any specific brands. I just got it on the back side. And the next items are going to be the eggs. I'll have to shut this down for a minute while I crack those, and then I'll show you everything in. I'll whip those up. Take care.